Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix E2 error on AO Smith water heater. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to consider these things. First, turn off the power. Switch off the heater at the breaker or control knob for safety. Second, check temperature sensor. Inspect for loose connections, damage or dirt. Clean or replace if needed. The another option is to test sensor. Use a multimeter to ensure it is within the correct resistance range. The another option is to reset thermostat. Press the reset button if available or replace a faulty thermostat. The another option is to inspect control board. Look for damage, burn marks or corrosion and replace if necessary. And in the last, restore power. After fixing, reassemble and turn the power back on to test. So these are the possible fixes related to your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.